I love to see gorgeous and handsome runners-up today. And of course, the prince and princess.
Yes, but we should not forget to appreciate the presence of some children who are with us today.
Exactly. And to give us the opening remarks, let's welcome on stage Teacher Ami, our dear principal.
May hapon na itong tanan. Okay? For those who do not know, or for those if you have here some visitors who cannot understand Cebuano, a pleasant afternoon. Naaba? Okay, dahil salamat sa tanan ng mga bisita nato, especially our barangay councilor, Honorable Boy Bohol, our barangay midwife, and our barangay nurse, and our parents who are here with us, together with their kids or beneficiaries, or visitors, parents, dear teachers, and everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Usbon ako, may hapon na itong tanan. Okay, every year, nag-celebrate sa aning nutrition month celebration together with the whole of our country. No, tanan-tanan eskwelahan sa tibuok Pilipinas nag-celebrate aning nutrition month. Ngano mag-celebrate man ta ani? Para paghatag og emphasis sa kabilihon sa atong pagkaon. Kinahanglan nga atong kaunon kanang yung na mga nutrients. Okay? Kanang may mga sustansya. Although kahibaw pa na sa itong classroom, pero what happened sa actual yun, hilig ta og mga instant food. Tungod sa atong kabisi, no? Instant noodles, instant tanan instant. Mga linata nga pagkaon, hotdog, no? Kanarang dali ra kay maluto. But if we are going to analyze, dili gyud ni siya daghan og nutrients. Tungod kay ang nutrients, ang nutritious food nga makuha nato gyud naa man gyud sa fruits and vegetables. And then milk, protein, kinahanglan siya dugay nga pag-prepare sa atong kusina. So that's why kini nga buwan, especially the month of July, mo gini siya ang paghatag ng emphasis, pero di lang kay month of July lang paghatag og emphasis sa atong proper observation sa atong pagkaon, kundi all throughout gini siya sa tibuok tuig. And then mao sa siya ang pag-aware nato sa atong mga estudyante na kinahanglan nga ang pagkaon nila kaunon kana yung na ay nutrients. And at the same time, today we are launching our school feeding program. This is the first in the history of SGLC. Mao pa ni siya ang primero na to na initiative karon. Dili lang ta mo cater sa ato nga kagalingon ng mga bata, kundi bisan pa sa ato nga limited nga mga resources, pwede na gyapon ta maka-share, no, ngadto sa atong community members nga medyo matawag na to less fortunate. So this year we are so thankful to the Lord and even proud to be involved in our community. So part ni sa eskwelahan nga community extension services, aside from training the children to become very good in their academics, inya nasa tayo research, and the third part of the school mission is to be involved in the community. Mao ni siyang community extension services, and this is our feeding. So karon mao sa akong giingon mag-launching ta. And to emphasize our feeding program, nakoy gamay nga basahon diri. This is a research from the UNICEF. Okay, kaibaw man ta ang UNICEF, no, United Nations Children's Fund. It says here the United Nations Children's Fund, or the UNICEF, says that each day 15,000 children die from malnutrition. Okay? 15,000 ka mga bata mamatay tungod sa malnutrition. The stigma attached to it may extend even into the next generation, placing an emotional burden on young people's opportunities for health adult lives. So, importante gid kayo ang nutrition tungod kay makasagnit sa mental capabilities ato mga bata. Because the reality of poverty is not simple, many relief agencies and humanitarian organizations exerted efforts in helping eradicate malnutrition. But because they are not giving nutrient-dense food, the problem of starvation and malnourished children remains. However, their valiant efforts are commendable. In the light nutrition, versatile, adaptable, and delicious food called Vitamil, which provides necessary nutrients for a healthy body, was manufactured. Vitamil is unique because it breaks the vicious cycle of manufacturing. So, ang atong i-feed sa mga bata, this is not an ordinary rice and fruit, vegetables, kundi ang atong i-feed sa ila, gitawag ni siya Vitamil. In fact, we are going to show you later on kung sa itsura ani. Kung ang mga bata nato nakakaon na ganina sa kantin, kung sa ning Vitamil. Okay, in view thereof, as initiator, we at Sage by Grace Learning Center would like to have a partnership with you and the other organizations and also with the Create Abundance 2020 in eradicating malnutrition as part of our community extension services. Okay, so muna siya ang atong ipakaon sa mga bata. Hopefully, by God's grace, kada bata na atong in-nourish, mag-target ta og 3 to 6 months lang. Nga mo-graduate sila sa ilang pagka-malnourished. Then after that, ang mga mama na dayon ang mo-continue para lain na sa dang atong matawaan. No? So muna siya ang atong